Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up a web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. Once you're on the web version of Telegram, log in to your account. After logging in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. If you don't see them right away, you might need to select the back button first. Once you find the three lines, click on them to open the menu. In the menu, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content option. To disable the filtering of sensitive content, simply check the box next to it. After making this change, back out to the main Telegram interface. To ensure that the setting is updated in the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android phone, close the app completely and then reopen it. This should synchronize the new settings, allowing you to view content that was previously blocked. That's how you can fix the issue of content not being displayed in Telegram. So that's basically how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.